Well, I'm going to have to move pretty soon. As you can see, there's a big gobble of ice coming right at me. And I am marking some fish where I'm at, but they ain't biting. But most of the lake I can't get to. It's all, most of the north arm I can't get to. It's all froze up. So I'm just stuck fishing where there's a little bit of open water. And there ain't going to be much here for more than another 2 minutes. It's about 10 feet away from the boat. Well, I finally got a bite. I didn't think I was going to get a fish today. Let's see what we got here. Oh, my fave! Smallmouth. Look at there. He's up on top of a reef. Can't fish too many places today. Let's get him in. Hey, nice fish. Start the year. Yeah, beauty. Over here. Whoa, fell off too. I didn't have him hooked very good. Come here. There we go. There's your mutt. Let him go. Whoa. Oh, wait a minute. 16-incher. We'll put him back. There he goes. We still got ice. I got nowhere to fish. I got stuck here. Next cast. Another one. It's funny because I fished over here earlier and I didn't catch anything. There he is. Another smallie. Welcome back to Rainy Lake. Captain John. I like it when they send a welcoming committee like that. I just wish I could get to my spots, but look at that mess over there. You can't get anywhere. But I guess I'll settle for this as a starter. I had to buy new batteries, and somehow I managed to have dead batteries even though I charged them. I think I left something running. I almost didn't go after that. It's usually a bad sign, but I'm happy. I had 5 bites in this spot. Ain't exactly jumping in the boat, but this is the 4th one I landed. I missed one. Nice fish. Probably 16, 17-incher. We'll get him in here and see if I can. Yeah, he's pretty big. I better grab him. He's a little bigger than the other ones. Come here. You didn't want me to loop him. There we go. You can see what I'm using there. One of them paddle tail, 3-inch paddle tail. That's a nice fish. I think I'll take a still picture with him. He's been caught before. See, his lips tore up from a crankbait probably. We'll Well, this is 14. I caught this one just dragging and going from one spot to another. Latched on. Another nice one though. Only got like one that was on the small side. They've all been pretty nice. There, that's another 4-pounder there. Pretty sure anyway. The last one weighed 414. Let's see how long this one is. I usually don't weigh them unless they're really big. This one, 18-incher, so he probably 3.5.